What if everyone in the world only ate chicken breast? It's the healthiest, the most dependable, it's the easiest to standardize into chunks, it's the quickest to cook, and it's very versatile. It makes sense to only eat chicken breast, right? What if no other part of the chicken was consumed? Not the wings, not the thighs, not the skin, not the legs, only chicken breast. All other bits were discarded and left to decompose. As chicken breast grows more and more popular around the world, industries can't keep up with the exponential growth in demand. Natural resources are being drained while the mounds of waste aren't decomposing fast enough. To stay competitive and continue making a profit, you look for alternatives, cheaper ways to sell the same product. You try to find value in the wasted parts. The meat scraps, the tissue, the bones, and the organs. They aren't appetizing, but perhaps you could grind it all up, add a ton of seasoning and fat to act as a binder. Now you've created a new, cheaper product that is superior in taste, value, and performance. It will excite the masses with the right advertising, but it just doesn't look as appealing. What if it was presented differently? It could be encased in the cleaned up intestines of the chicken. It would act as a veneer around the ground up stuff, hold it together, and improve the appearance too. Voila! Sausage, the cheaper, more versatile alternative to solid chicken breast.